Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, with a 2-minute video on easy herb growing in a Vego Garden Bed Kit. Oh my goodness, all these wonderful herbs that you want to grow in your backyard so you have them fresh for your kitchen. Lots of different garden kits that I've mentioned in previous videos, but here's one a client of mine found that she just loves. This is the Vego Garden Kit Bed, and this is just a fabulous thing. So here's her backyard. It was just a kind of a dead lawn, and so we scraped the whole thing to kind of flatten it out, make sure that it drained away from the house, and she ordered a dozen of these garden kits. These are really great. They come in 10 different sizes, 3 different heights. It's really nice. They're made out of this zinc alloy material. Then they have this wonderful powder coating on the outside. It actually comes in 6 different colors too. Definitely check out the link in the comment section for more information on all the different options these come with. But what's nice about them is that they're easy to assemble. It took the two of us about 10 minutes to assemble one of these once we unpacked it all. And then we kind of laid it all out to kind of get a good spacing. We wanted about 3-foot spacing with all these different beds. Once we figured out the spacing, then it was time to run some lateral irrigation lines to these beds. And then it's time to start filling it up with dirt. Oh yeah, I lent a hand and I shoveled some good vegetable mix potting soil into all these babies. Once the dirt was in there, then we went back and put down some weed block around it so we wouldn't have a lot of weeds around it. Covered that with some nice rock mulch. Now, one of the other cool things is these garden bed kits actually do, you can order an irrigation system with the bed. They don't come with it, it's an accessory, but they work out really pretty good. Once you have a principal water source to each bed, you can actually get the irrigation going nicely into those areas. Then it's time to go shopping. Now, one thing I do recommend is if you live someplace where you have gophers, you put some gopher mesh on the bottom of these beds before you fill them up with the potting mix. Oh, and by the way, you can also order it with lights too, and those are really kind of cool too. Anyway, check out the link in the comments section for more information on these garden beds and all the cool accessories they come with. And a big shout out to Juan with Unique Landscaping. He did a great job in this backyard project. Here's his contact information if you're looking for some really good quality work done here in the San Diego County area. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.